What's going on, guys? So this is part 2 of the Jeep Comanche project. So my original idea was just to like get this motor out of here, rebuild it completely, make sure like everything's like new and fresh and stuff and whatever. But I mean, the motor spins and everything, so it really has no reason to work, even though it hasn't like ran in a while. So honestly, I'm just thinking I'm gonna hook everything back up how it was, like before the previous owner had it. And I'm gonna try to see if it'll start. I mean, if it does start, then I'll just like use it like that for a little bit till I can get the 350 that I'm building for the S10 done. Then once that's like done and installed in the S10, then I'll pull this motor and rebuild it. So I couldn't have like this truck running while I pull the motor on the S10. So then, yeah, I'm thinking I'm just gonna try to hook everything back up here. So I got the AC compressor back in place because I need this pulley to be here. But yeah, I'm gonna like get those bolts tightened up. I'm just gonna start like all the wiring because it's pretty much all like taken apart. I'm just gonna start hooking everything back up that's like visible, I guess. And yeah, I'm just gonna go from there. Alright guys, so I've been here connecting as much as I could like see. Yeah, so I'm still debating on whether to actually try to just like start the car how it is, or if just to like rebuild the whole motor. So I'm still sort of deciding on that, really. So I'm just gonna just leave it how it is for now and like continue this video when I have something else in mind, I guess. So yeah, so I just like continue this as soon as I decide something else. Okay guys, so I pretty much I guess made up my mind, so I'm just gonna try to start it as it is. So I've just been here. I did a lot of off-camera work because I lost my charger and then my camera had died, so I couldn't really record anything, but I finally found it, so I'm back. Yeah, so I did a lot of stuff like off-camera, so I'm just gonna quickly go over everything. Alright, so for starters, this plate right here that holds the reservoir for the coolant, I painted it. It was all rusty and stuff. Oh, I might add a picture so you can see. I got the strap down and the reservoir tank, I cleaned it up. It looks brand new now. Hooked that up there completely. The AC compressor is back on now. The lines are still loose, but yeah. The alternator is in the bed. I gotta get that tested, see if it even still works or not, but yeah. Then I got all these like vacuum lines here hooked up to the valve cover and a bunch of other places. Then got the whole air box put back in here. These is what I believe is a sensor, I guess. The reservoir for the windshield wiper water, whatever thing. This line that goes to the brake booster, the power steering pump. I got that hooked up, and yeah. So yeah, and just a bunch of other electrical connections and vacuum lines and whatnot. But yeah, we're making some progress finally. So here's the AC condenser was in the back. It's completely like broken, obviously, so I'm gonna have to get a new one of those. Alright, so I discovered in the bed that I hadn't realized that the door panels were actually there, and they're actually in very good shape. You just need a little bit of cleaning and that's it. So that was good. And yeah, the gas tank is also here in the bed. Let me get this out of the way so you guys can see. So you got the gas tank right here. It's full of holes and stuff, so I'm gonna have to get a new gas tank, which I already ordered. It's on the way. Then the radiator was all rusted out too. So I'm gonna have to get a new one, which is also on the way. So yeah, as far as parts go, those are the only two things I've ordered so far. Then the alternator's right over there. Right there. And yeah, so pretty soon once the radiator and gas tank get here, then I could pretty much try to start it up, see if it'll start. But yeah, I had actually hooked up a battery to it just to see what would happen, and the whole, like the interior and everything will light up, all lights work and stuff. So I didn't try to start it or anything, but it should be good, honestly. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I think that's it for now. That's as much as I've done so far. The whole airbox and intake situation there. Oh yeah, I hooked up the from the distributor. All the cables are finally hooked up to the spark plugs. I might get new spark plugs before trying to start it, maybe. Since, yeah, why not? So yeah, I might get some new spark plugs. I also got to change the oil out and the filter before I go to start it. I'll get some fogging fluid to put in the cylinders too. It's a little bit easier to start. And yeah, I just got to put the alternator in there, get a new belt, and that should be pretty much almost ready to run, to be honest. Then after it's running, then I'll start worrying about suspension and all that, see if everything's good. But from what I've seen, it doesn't look that bad. Still got some like electrical connections and stuff here to deal with. You gotta figure out what they go to, but like almost everything is already like connected and stuff. I also got the core support, which I found in the bed, which I didn't knew I had. But yeah, so I finally got this over here. I'm actually just gonna bring it. So it's not even rusty or anything, it's just a little bit dirty. But yeah, I got the core support, so yeah. Alright, so this is pretty much the end of this video. Once I get the gas tank and radiator, then I'll start making the part 2. So yeah. Oh yeah, I also need a battery, obviously. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. So I'll make part 2 pretty soon. And yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.